Every day brings new lessons for children. At home and outside, small habits can help us become better human.
Wow, lunch smells so delicious!
Welcome home, Zayd. Lunch is ready.
After a long day at school, Zayd came home feeling hungry. The delicious smell of lunch made him excited to sit with his family. Sometimes when we are excited or in a hurry, we may forget important things. That is why our family helps us remember good manners.
Wait, Zayd. Remember Bismillah before eating.
Oh, I forgot.
Zayd was ready to take his first bite, but Omar gently reminded him of a beautiful habit before eating. Zayd listened carefully to his father's advice. He learned that every good action should begin by remembering Allah.
Bismillah.
Very good, Zayd.
Zayd smiled and said Bismillah before eating. His family was happy to see him learn this beautiful habit. Good habits become even more special when we share them with others. Zayd wanted his little sister to learn the same lesson.
Amina, remember Bismillah first? Yes, Bismillah.
When Amina was about to drink water, Zayd kindly reminded her to say Bismillah first. Amina happily followed her brother's advice. Families teach children important lessons through love, patience, and kindness. Grandpa Ibrahim always shared wisdom with Zayd and Amina.
Always begin good actions with Bismillah.
We will remember, Grandpa.
Grandpa explained that saying Bismillah before good actions helps us remember Allah and be thankful for His blessings. By the end of the day, Zayd and his family understood that a small habit can bring great meaning into our daily lives.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
From that day on, Zayd remembered to say Bismillah before eating and before starting good actions. A beautiful habit can make every moment more special. Dear friends, always remember to begin good things with Bismillah. Small good habits bring us closer to Allah and make our hearts happier. Did you enjoy Zayd's story? If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to It's Kindness Stories for more beautiful Islamic stories and lessons for kids. See you in the next story.